Hi, my name is Tammy Goebel, and I've had a lot of people ask me, what is this awesome water that you drink? So I want to show you just one part of why this water is so awesome. This is Dr. Otto Warburg, and he discovered the cause of cancer back in 1931. He won a Nobel Prize for it. He says that cancer grows in oxygen-deprived acidic tissue, and disease can't live in an alkaline body. So we want to keep our bodies on the alkaline side. Here's a chart of things that are good for us, alkaline items. There's a lot more, and things that are not good for us, that are acidic. And I want to show you why this water is so awesome. Okay, look at the different liquids up here, and think to yourself, do I drink any of these liquids? And I'm just going to pour a little of each one into the cups, and so I can show you what pH they each have. They each have different pHs. Okay. This is our tap water and our Kangen water. Okay, these are pH drops, and as I drop them in the different liquids, keep in mind that if they turn out to be yellow or orange, that means they're acidic. They're not good for us. If it's bluish or purple, that means it's more on the alkaline side. It's healthier. Okay, so I'm going to put about 4 drops in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay, so do you see how these two right here, Gatorade and soda, this represents all soda, by the way, not just soda, not just Sprite. But look how acidic it is for our bodies. If we were to put it down here, it would turn out into this area. Soda it's very acidic and not good for our bodies. Gatorade, a lot of people think, well, athletes drink it. It's supposed to be good for us, right? But look how acidic it is. Our bodies are already acidic as we exercise. That does cause acidity and lactic acid buildup in our bodies, and we're just adding to it. So we want to try to avoid Gatorade and sports drinks. These two are reverse osmosis waters. You see how they're in the acidic area? They don't have any minerals in them. They take out all the minerals. Now tap water looks like this because, well, they put chlorine in it, and then it would be acidic, right, and run through our pipe. So then they add lye, L-Y-E, which is a very high alkaline chemical. They add that into our tap water, and there's about 10 other chemicals that they add into our tap water. So I call this my chemical soup. Now Kangen water looks like this because they take it's tap water that goes through this machine, which was created in Japan. This is a licensed medical device from Japan. It's been there for 40 years. And Japan is #1 in life and longevity. They're a little ahead of the US. We're like 38. But what's cool about the Kangen water is that life's acidic, basically. Just even stress, worrying. But if we're drinking our Kangen water, we can counteract some of that stress and that acidity that we put in our life. The air we breathe is acidic. If we're drinking our Kangen water, even dark chocolate, which is delicious, can cause acidity in our body. We're just drinking a gallon a day, helps keep the sicknesses away, is what I like to always say. Kind of a fun little saying. But watch, we do need to be careful with what we do put into our bodies, because some things are just so acidic that it doesn't matter how much water I add. In fact, 1 cup of soda, you have to add, it takes 2.5 gallons of Kangen water to counteract and make 1 cup of soda neutral. Let me show you this little thing. You know, I used to just have a sip of my husband's Diet Coke once in a while, and I want to show you what a sip does to our bodies. 1 little sip can take our nice alkaline bodies and start to take them back to an acidic state. So we want to just try to avoid things like this that are so acidic. Now, this is just one of the properties of the water, which is pretty cool. This water has many more awesome things about it, and if you want to learn more, please come join us on Saturdays at 1 or Thursdays at 7 p.m. at the H2 Awesome Water Store in Centerville. Thank you.